Hello! I hope you are doing really well today. I am talking to you not in the morning like usual, but at night because I left the house with everybody else this morning and didn't come back until it was time for them to all come home. We did homework, so I'm about to pick up the daddy from the train station and then we're going to have dinner. So I am super fast, but right now I'm working from the Skinny Taste Fast and Slow cookbook. And I'm making a slow cooker Indian chicken and peas. So actually it's turkey and it's not in a slow cooker. It's on the stove. So let me give you a look at what's going on here. So this is my dish. And in order to do this, I went super fast. So sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I saute my onions and my garlic while I'm cooking the meat. And then I start adding in all the other spices. This is a lean turkey. I didn't have any need to drain it. So I put in a bunch of spices. There's a ton in here. 3/4 teaspoon of like everything you can think of. Coriander, cumin, cinnamon, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder. So lots of spices. Salt, roughly a teaspoon per pound. And then I've got some rice going in the slow cooker. And then the vegetable, quote unquote, here is the peas. And then a tomato sauce. So there's actually 2 cans of tomato sauce in there because there's always a double batch in this house. Then I've just got some fresh cilantro that I very quickly went ahead and cut up. So this will go on top. And the meal's done. So I did it in about 15 minutes. So fast and slow for sure. And the thing about a meal like this, like, oh, why not the slow cooker? Well, really the slow cooker is because a lot of people might have time to like put it together and then need to leave the house. They want to come home to a warm meal. But it can also be made on the stove. You sauteed the ground meat, whatever you ended up using. So that recipe called for chicken. I used turkey. Obviously, you could also use hamburger. But that sometimes is the day. And I wanted to check in with you and give you a sense of that. Because for one thing, like sometimes we read a recipe and we think, oh my gosh, I got to do exactly. In fact, because I'm not doing it in a slow cooker, the recipe calls for 3/4 cup, I think it is, of tomato sauce. I went with the whole 15-ounce can of tomato sauce per batch because a slow cooker creates extra liquid as it cooks. That's not true on the stove. So I kind of knew that ahead of time. But anyways, thank you so much. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.